also. And I'll tell you, two-thirds of it, nobody knows what it means because it refers to other parts of the legal code. Unless you got a $1,000 offer, you don't know what those other pages mean either, sir. And I was never better than normal. I respect your 08th grade. But you don't know what's in all of that today. So let me ask you, you brought up that the public option would be so much less expensive than the private option. My employer has 29,000 employees. I work really hard. I teach an adult education class when I get off work at jails and rehabs for no money. But yeah, I'm paying as the right-wing extremist in this world. I go out and volunteer all the damn time for stuff that matters to me. I want the insurance I have to I get it. I get it. It covers me. It covers my daughter. It covers my wife. And I pay for it. How can you tell me that the private option will stay in place when my employer with 29,000 employees can just turn around tomorrow and say, we're writing that off the bottom line. You guys are all going to the public option.
Chris brings up an excellent point. Because when I went throughout Pennsylvania, what I found is, in this particularly, if you don't mind, just for a moment, I'll tell you how it does that. In this savage recession, I mean, I found it everywhere. And I do not, as I've said on TV, repeatedly find that it's the far right that has angst or anxiety. I found it with everybody. Because, my gosh, look where we've ended up somehow. And government, what did you do to make sure that we didn't get that? And all of a sudden people are holding on to either a job or health care. And you know what? We haven't at times done as well as we should have, if you believe. You might sat down one-on-one and that stuff. Alright? To done the job of how to explain to someone who has worked his heart out, saved this country, was in Somalia, Black Hawk Down. And now wait a minute, how can you assure me you're not going to miss this one? Which is what his question.
I was in Panama, not Somalia.
I thought you said Somalia.
Okay.
Sorry. Just the thing. Sorry. Here's how it does. It mandates that the employer has to keep the health care plan. I brought it here. This is my health care plan. I've read. And he's right. Adam Exeter, where are you? I have told him repeatedly, when the amendments and other things come out, that he calls up, I call him and I say, if I'm up here reading the bill or down here, and say, what's this referred to in which section? But it actually, and I will send you the exact